Hey guys, it's me. I'm here bringing you a cool guy creative community tutorial. We're just doing something quick today. This is just a little something that can busy your hands, and they're kind of fun to just make when you're bored and have nothing to do. Yeah, so we're going to be making these little guys. Are bunny lanterns, and they're pretty cute, and they're very quick and easy to come together. It can be a little tricky a little bit, but yeah, let's get into it. So first, you're going to take your square sheet of paper, and you're going to fold it in half one way, and then you're going to fold it in half the other way. So we should end up, once we unfold it, having creases going down the middle. And now we're going to do the same thing with the diagonals. So, get that guy right up there. You know, use your thumbnail to make your creases, because it'll just give you a nice crisp line to work with. And then we're also folding that one again in the middle, so that when this is all unfolded, we've got 8 sort of triangles. So your next step is going to be folding in one of these triangles from the middle onto the bottom, like so, and you do it on the opposite side. So we're taking this middle line here, we're taking this line, matching it up to this, we're taking this line and matching it up to that, like this, and then as we fold that down, we'll end up with this triangular form, which will have 4 sort of little bits. I like to fold it over and just really get your creases down good, get everything nice and flat. Alright, so once you're at this stage, you're going to take both of your edges and you're going to fold it up. So we're taking this edge and we're folding it up to meet the top of the peak here, like so. And then we're going to copy that with the other side, like this. So you should have 2 little flappies now. So we're going to take this, we're going to take this edge, or this corner, and we're going to fold it into the middle. Doesn't matter exactly where it ends up, but do try and get it as much into the middle as possible, so that it's just meeting where your 2 flappies separate from each other. We're going to do that with both sides. So we've got something that kind of looks like this shape right now. And then we're going to take these top flaps. So I'm taking this point here and I'm matching it down to where this one is. Probably could have picked a better piece of paper than black. I don't know how that's going to show up. But we're going to do that with both sides. So I'm taking this corner, matching it to that corner. Right, so we've got this thing now. Alright, so for this part, you're going to take these first flaps, and if you just kind of squeeze them, they'll pop open. And you're going to take one of your guys, and you're kind of folding it down into that. Take a little bit of wiggling, kind of just pushing it and pushing it, so that once you press that flat, it should match up pretty well, pretty seamlessly. I'm a master origamist, as you can see. Everything is perfect. We're going to do that to the other side. Come on, buddy. And we're folding those guys down flat, using my nail, Gets nice and tight. Alright, so we've now got this at this step. We're going to fold the whole thing over, and we're going to do the same thing that we did to start. So we're taking both of these flaps and we're folding them upwards to make a diamond, square I guess. So we're getting two there, and then we're going to take one flap, doesn't matter which one you start with, we're going to fold it over. Now we've got a diamond shape. We're going to fold it over, and we're going to take this point and we're going to match it up to the center crease. Like so. And then you fold that guy over. And then you do that again on the other side. So I folded over my other flap, matching it up to the middle. And then folding that back. So you should have kind of this rupee-shaped figure now, with your little tucked-in pieces and your ear pieces on the top. So we're going to take these triangles, and we're just kind of folding them. So imagine sort of a line running from this point to this point. That's where you want your fold to be. We're going to go boop, press it flat. We're going to take this guy, fold him down. So now we've ended up with this little shape, and we're going to take these, which are going to become the ears, and we're going to open them up. And we're going to open them up. Wow. And then just press down so that this bottom folds out, but you want to keep this kind of nice roundness for your ears, so don't like get this completely flattened or anything. We're going to do that with both sides. Come on, you. Alright, and there we go. This is our penultimate step now. So we've got our bunny, but he's looking a little flat. So what do we do with him? There is a little air hole right here at the front, and what you want to do is blow into it, and as you're doing it, kind of pull gently on these outside edges. It'll kind of make sense as you're doing it, and that'll give it shape. You can see he's starting to come together. And there we go. He's all inflated. And now you can just kind of form him a little bit so he becomes a little more box-shaped. I'm not getting a super crease here, but if you kind of pinch your edges, it shapes him up, makes him a little more like a cube. If you need to put a little more air into him, that's fine. But there we go. We got ourselves a cute little lantern bunny, and these are lots of fun. They're pretty easy. They're kind of hard too. Messed up my very first one that I made today, but that's okay. I still love him. He's beautiful and wonderful. But yeah. And there we go. Happy creating there, everybody.